In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 screen turns off too fast. If your display keeps going dark after just a minute or two, that's usually because the default power settings are set to be a little too aggressive. The good news is, you can quickly adjust those settings so your screen stays on as long as you need. Start by opening the Settings app using the fastest method. Press the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard at the same time. This shortcut takes you straight into settings without digging through menus, which makes the process quicker and more reliable. Once you're in settings, look to the left-hand side and choose System. This is where Windows groups options related to your device's performance and display behavior. In the main System panel, select Power. Depending on your Windows 11 version, this may appear as Power or Power and Battery. Either way, it's the section that controls how your device manages energy and the screen. Inside Power, find the area labeled Screen, Sleep, and Hibernate Timeouts. On many versions of Windows 11, this section appears as Screen and Sleep. But the idea is the same. It's where timeouts live. Open that section to see the options for how long your PC waits before turning off the display. Now increase the setting for Turn off my screen to a time that matches your workflow. You'll typically see choices like 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, or never. If you're working on documents or reading and you don't want the screen to go dark too quickly, 10 or 30 minutes is a comfortable middle ground. If you need the display to stay on for presentations, media playback, or monitoring dashboards, 1 hour can be handy. Choosing Never keeps the screen on indefinitely, which can be useful for kiosks or when you absolutely don't want interruptions. Just keep in mind that longer times can use more power on laptops and may reduce battery life, so pick what makes sense for your situation. If you see separate options for when you're on battery versus plugged in, choose a shorter time on battery to conserve power and a longer time when connected to a charger. There's nothing else you need to do. Windows saves these changes automatically. Give it a quick test by leaving your PC idle to confirm the screen now stays on for the duration you set. That's all it takes to stop Windows 11 from turning off your screen too fast and to keep your workspace uninterrupted.